Hi guys, just a little update on the garden of the weirdest spring we've had in a little bit. It's lots of sunshine but quite nippy, to be fair. And this is the new Chamaerops humilis that I got from B&M actually. It was £25, which was a bargain as far as I'm concerned. And quite a substantial amount of growth. I'm not drunk on it already. And it should do absolutely fine in this greenhouse. Already reaching about 40 degrees in this hot sunshine. You know, this is my favorite cactus, the golden barrel cactus. Absolutely fantastic. I got that again on a bargain from Dobby's. And the thing I'm trying to do here is actually train the vine to go across the whole length of the greenhouse, which will look really cool. You know, producing fruit, or the vines trail down the actual interior of the greenhouse. So yeah, it's just a little update of how my plants are doing here. Taking advantage of this warm weather while it lasts. Hopefully it gets better soon though, because it's just been a strange year. Coinciding with the winter we've had last summer, last autumn, so strange. There's my Norfolk Island pine there, Araucaria. Absolutely loving it outside. I don't move these in. That's the thing. A lot of people ask, do I move them in? I don't. Especially my citrus, I don't at all. And this is a new bed I've styled. It's kind of like a driftwood bed with my pelargonium there, my lemon-scented pelargonium. And I'm waiting for the sidecast to obviously come into a new flush. It lost all its foliage this winter, unfortunately. But I'm pretty sure it will flush again, hopefully this summer. But yeah, this is the new arid sort of driftwood style. I'm not exactly what to coin it, really, but I think it looks nice. And there's an exterior view of the greenhouse and how it's looking. And the garden is really coming to life. It's so nice to see. Finally, we can get outdoors and plant stuff. But anyway, I've got big plans for the garden ahead, and I hope you enjoy watching alongside with this new exotic Mediterranean-style garden in the north of England, out of all places.